Hi, friends! Welcome to week 2 of distant learning. I hope week 1 went well for you. I know it was kind of a struggle because Schoology wasn't working very well. We had a lot of issues with that, but I'm hoping that it gets better for this week. Um, Reminder that this week there are only 3 days of school because you technically have spring break, Thursday, Friday, and Monday. So I just set this up for 3 days. And also, some people were telling me that they liked to have things set up by the day. So I did a Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, so that you know what you're supposed to do each day. Um, if you want to work ahead, feel free to work ahead. Basically, what you have to do this week is read the chapter called Sweetheart of the Santrabang. It's chapter 9 and it's kind of long, so that's why you have 2 days. I gave you Monday and Tuesday to read that chapter. There is a screencast of me reading it if you want to utilize that. There is also an assignment that goes with that chapter, and that's what's due by Wednesday at 11:59. You should have this assignment out while you're reading the chapter because there's things you're going to want to fill out as you read. So, make sure that you read the chapter and turn that in by Wednesday at 11:59. Also, I want to remind you about the study guide. I think it's easy to forget about doing the study guide right now, but that'll be due by the time we finish this novel, which will probably be early May that we'll finish and take a test, and then you'll turn the study guide in. I just need to, I know this isn't the fun part, but I need to ask, please, when you're doing quizzes or when you're doing assignments and you have to write things out, please avoid copying and pasting things from Cliff Notes or Spark Notes or Chomp or any other online source. I pretty much know what all those websites say. I've seen them, and it's plagiarism to do something like that, and you can get kicked out of college for something like that. I know that we're doing online learning, and so it's so easy to cheat on stuff, but I am asking you to have integrity as we go through this process. Thank you in advance. If you have any questions ever, or you just want to talk to anybody in our class or me, the Connections and Questions discussion on the main Schoology page is there. You can help answer questions if other students ask them and you happen to know the answer. But anyway, welcome to week 2. I hope that you're doing good. I've been a little bit bored at home. At first, it was good because I felt like I had a lot to do. Now I'm starting to get a little bit antsy, and it doesn't help when it rains or whatever, but I like the sunny days because then I can sit outside with my dog or go for a walk or read my book or whatever. But oh man, as the days keep going, I really miss you guys, and I feel like I'm missing out on a lot of the fun stuff. I'm making all these plans for you and grading stuff and trying to get Schoology to work, but I have to miss out on all the fun things with you guys. So that's been kind of a downer. I miss you and I wish we could go back to school, but staying positive, living with it. I hope you guys have a really great week. If anything is ever seeming wrong in the grade book or anything ever doesn't look right, please email me. I check my email all the time. So I'll talk to you super soon. Good luck this week and have a great spring break.